Little Angels Choir.
We would like to express our gratitude towards the firefighters.
Your bravery and commitment demonstrate perseverance and spirit of selfless dedication.
Thank you for your hard work.
Thank you to all the firefighters, medical staff, police officers, social workers, and volunteers. Your contribution inspires support, love, and unity from the whole of Hong Kong. And to the victims in the fire, please accept our deepest sympathies. Your courage in the face of adversity is truly deserving of admiration.
我哋係小天使合唱團。
多謝各位消防員叔叔，你哋頂着火場高溫同埋各種危險，拯救生命，實在令我哋敬佩。各位醫護、警察、社工同埋義工哥哥姐姐，多謝你哋各種嘅支援。
你哋嘅付出令到全香港更多人參與咗援助活動，亦都為我哋示範咗乜嘢係使命、愛同埋尊重生命。
面對火災嘅朋友，請接納我哋嘅深切慰問。你哋面對逆境嘅勇氣，實在值得欽佩。
May peace be with you always.
You all are our heroes.
We are blessed to have you.
Stay safe.
多謝你哋啊！感激有你哋啊！願你哋健康。
我都祝你哋可以平安啊！